Question 1. Check the black king with a white pawn. Pawn captures knight. Answer. E, you slipped. You're not correct. The rest of us are correct. Question number 2. Get the black king out of check by capturing. King captures queen. That's the answer. F, you're not correct. E, your time elapsed. The rest of us are correct. Question 3. Get the black king out of check. If the king captures, you're wrong because there's a rook that will be checking the king. So king cannot capture, knight captures. F and E, you see. The rest of us are correct. Question 4. Check the black king. Bishop captures bishop. Answer. A, you're not correct. And E, your time elapsed. The rest of us are correct. Question 5. Get the black king out of check. King move to B8. Answer.